More than 300 high-speed Shinkansen trains are in service in a single day. The arrivals and departures repeat at a dizzying pace. Looking at the inside of the Shinkansen cars, they are meticulously clean. How these Shinkansen cars are cleaned has even attracted the attention of tourists from abroad. When a train arrives, the cleaning team bows to greet it. They hold open garbage bags at the doors and greet each passenger getting off with "thank you." She says customers bring us garbage from inside the cars, so we tell them thank you for this. Customers are helping us with our job of collecting the garbage, so we say it to express our appreciation. The drama in the 7-minute cleaning theater is about to begin. A Shinkansen's average stop time is 12 minutes. It takes 5 minutes for passengers to get on and off. Once all the passengers have gotten off, there's only 7 minutes to completely finish cleaning the cars and taking out the garbage. In general, one person is in charge of cleaning a single car, which has approximately 100 seats. When one task is finished, they run to the next. And run again. And run some more. They check to make sure all seats are in their upright position and the cleaning is finished. After finishing the 7-minute cleaning, they line up, bow, and go to the next job. The passengers get to board a nice, clean train. He says a fundamental aspect of Japanese mentality is, for example, when you invite a guest to your home, first you start by cleaning. So since we're welcoming customers to our train, first we clean. Well, that might be all we do. It may be that we are also providing more, that we're providing hospitality, and that is where we start. The Shinkansen cleaning staff take pride in their work of cleaning and undertake it with a spirit of hospitality. The 7-minute miracle continues.